An official report shows that the value of the banking sector's wealth management products reached 29 trillion yuan by the end of 2016, up 23.6% from a year earlier. That was less than half the average growth of 49.1% per year for the previous 3 years. Unlike the value of WMPs for individual investors, however, the value of interbank wealth management products nearly doubled to 5.99 trillion yuan last year. One industry insider says there are several reasons behind the figures, and that the fast expansion of interbank WMPs is not likely to continue this year.
大概从14年开始
The issue of WMPs by China's banks began to slow in 2014. And since the fourth quarter of last year, the central bank has begun pushing a macroprudential assessment of the banking system, especially of interbank WMPs to avoid financial risks, such as cross-holdings, over-leveraging, and arbitraging. Things have improved a lot since then.
On the other hand, wealth management products still remain a big attraction for individual investors, like Feng Wei in Shanghai. He says last year he spent some 70% of his investment money in the property market, and only 10% on banks' wealth management products. But since the government began tightening regulation of the real estate market later in 2016, and since the stock market was not performing well, he's decided to increase his investment in bank WMPs to 30% this year.
Wealth management products offered by banks have much lower risks, so I think my money will be safe there. In the current economic environment, I'd like to buy more bank WMPs. Several times this year, I've encountered a situation in which many good WMPs with high yields sold out very quickly after they were issued. I think this shows that demand is very resilient.
Zhou from the Bank of Communications estimates that the demand for bank WMPs from individuals will grow this year, offsetting the decline in interbank WMPs and leading to a stable market for 2017. 米嘉怡, ICS for CGTN, Shanghai.